Entering the third dimension. An introduction to 3D animation. 3D animation breathes life into still images, creating moving pictures in a digital space. It's the magic behind blockbuster films, captivating video games, and engaging advertisements. This art form relies on a blend of creativity and technical skill, transforming simple sketches into dynamic, moving worlds. From whimsical characters to realistic environments, 3D animation revolutionizes storytelling. The process involves modeling, rigging, animating, and rendering. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step in mastering 3D animation. This guide provides a clear overview of the basics. Let's delve into the fascinating realm of 3D animation and unlock your creative potential. Essential tools for the digital artist: top 3D animation software. Choosing the right software is crucial for any aspiring 3D animator. 3 industry-leading software options stand out: Blender, Autodesk Maya, and Cinema 4D. Blender is free and accessible, Maya is an industry standard, and Cinema 4D excels in motion graphics. Each offers unique strengths for different animation needs. Choose wisely to bring your creative visions to life. Breathing life into models. Understanding keyframing and animation principles. Bringing static 3D models to life requires an understanding of fundamental animation principles. Keyframing, a cornerstone of animation, involves setting specific points in time where an object has a defined position, rotation, or scale. These keyframes act as markers, defining the model's state at crucial moments in the animation timeline. Interpolation, the process of calculating the in-between frames between keyframes, ensures smooth and natural movement. The software analyzes the values set at each keyframe and creates intermediary frames, filling the gaps and breathing fluidity into the animation. The timeline, a visual representation of the animation sequence, provides a comprehensive overview of the entire animation. Keyframes are placed and adjusted on the timeline, allowing animators to fine-tune the timing and pacing of their animations. Mastering these principles is key to creating compelling and believable animations. By understanding how keyframes, interpolation, and the timeline work in harmony, you gain the power to control the movement and behavior of your 3D models. This understanding forms the foundation for creating dynamic and engaging animations that captivate your audience. Now that we've covered the basics of animation principles, let's delve into a practical example using Blender, a popular and accessible 3D animation software. In this scene, we dive into Maya and Cinema 4D, two of the most powerful tools in the world of 3D animation. Maya, known for its robust features and versatility, is widely used in the film industry. On the other hand, Cinema 4D is praised for its user-friendly interface and powerful motion graphics capabilities. Whether you are working on complex character animations or dynamic visual effects, both software offer unique advantages that cater to different aspects of 3D animation. Now, let's talk about rendering and exporting your animation. Rendering is the process of generating the final output from the 3D models and scenes you've created. It's where all your hard work comes to life. There are various rendering engines available, each with its own set of features and benefits. Once rendering is complete, exporting your animation in the right format is crucial for ensuring it can be easily viewed and shared. Understanding the best practices for rendering and exporting will ensure your animations look polished and professional. As you continue your journey in 3D animation, it's important to keep learning and improving your skills. There are numerous resources available, from online tutorials and courses to books and forums where you can connect with other animators. Staying updated with the latest trends and technologies in the industry will help you stay ahead of the curve. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment and create, the better you'll become. And that brings us to the end of our guide on 3D animation techniques. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of modeling and texturing to the complexities of rendering and exporting. We hope this has been an informative and inspiring journey for you. Remember, the world of 3D animation is vast and ever-evolving, so keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. Thank you for joining us, and happy animating.